A very good morning, students. Today we are going to cover up question and answer session of Social Studies, chapter number 2, The Great Indian Desert. So, take out your page number 13. Let us try. In that, question number 1, why is Rajasthan called the desert state of India? So here we have to write why Rajasthan called the desert state of India. So answer is Thar Desert cover a large area of Rajasthan. Which desert? Thar Desert covers a large area of Rajasthan. So, Rajasthan is called the desert state of India. Let's move ahead the next question. Name the states that the Thar Desert cover. In that we have to write the names of the state that the Thar Desert covers. So the answer is the Thar Desert mainly lies in the state of Rajasthan. Where it lies? It lies in the state of Rajasthan, and then it also spread across northern Gujarat and some parts of southern Haryana and Punjab. So it starts from Rajasthan and then it spread northern Gujarat and some part of southern Haryana and Punjab. Let's move ahead the question number 3, that is fill in the blanks. In that, number 1. To the south of the Great Indian Desert lies the dash of Run of Kutch, and towards the east lies the dash hills. So here to the south of the Great Indian Desert lies the salt marsh. Where it lies salt marsh, means a low-lying wet area usually between a land. Where it lies salt marsh of Run of Kutch, and it's towards the east lies the Aravalli Hills. Where it lies Aravalli Hills. Let's move ahead the second question. Hot and dry winds that blow in a desert shift the dash from one place to another. Hot and dry winds blow in the desert shift dash. What they shift? They shift sand dunes, and sand dunes means sand dunes are a small hills, formed by the winds, and they move from one place to another. So here you have to write sand dunes. Let's move ahead the third one. The winds that blow in desert are strong and often cause sandstorms. So here it's called sandstorm. Sandstorm shift the sand dunes from one place to another. So the wind blow in the deserts are strong and cause the sandstorm. So here you have to write sandstorm. Fourth, the Great Indian Desert is also known as dash desert. So here you have to write Thar. The Great Indian Desert is also known as Thar Desert. So here we have completed first part of question answer session, and now move ahead the page number 18. In that we will cover the second part of the question answers. In that, number 1. Who are Banjaras? Write a short note on them. Here we have to write who are Banjaras. So the answer is Banjaras are the nomadic people. Nomadic people means a person who does not settle in a one place. So here we have to write Banjaras are the nomadic people who move from one place to another on camels with their families and possession in search of water. So the nomadic people who do not settle in a one place, they move from one place to another on camels, and they move with their families and possession in search of water, because in the desert there is a shortage of water. They move and search of water. Let's move ahead the next question. Why is the camel popularly known as a ship of desert? So here we have to write why camel popularly known as the ship of the desert. So answer is camel is known as the ship of the desert because it can survive without food and water. Camel can survive without food and water for many days in the desert. So here you have to write because it can survive without food and water in a desert for days. Camel can walk on sand with ease. Camel can easily walk on the sand with due to its padded feet and carry load, because the camel have a padded feet, okay, and camel carry a heavy loads. So here you have to write camel can walk on sand with easily due to its padded feet and carry a heavy loads, okay. Camel are even used for ploughing and pulling carts. For camel can useful for a lot of work. Camel carry a loads, ploughing fields and pulling cart, and even people drinks the camel milk in the desert area. So camel is an important asset. So here camel do a lot of work and shifts loads from one place to another, so it's known as the ship of the desert. Let's move ahead the next question. Question number 3. Strike out the incorrect option in each of these sentences to make them true. So here we have to strike out the incorrect option. In that, 2 option is given. For that we have to strike out or put a cross mark to make the sentence true. Okay, so let's move ahead the first question. To overcome the problems of water scarcity. Scarcity means insufficient. Okay, the government of Rajasthan built the Mahatma Gandhi or Indira Gandhi Canal. So here we have learned that in Rajasthan the people facing a lot of problem for insufficient water. So the government of Rajasthan built for them Indira Gandhi Canal, not the Mahatma Gandhi Canal. So here you put cross on Mahatma Gandhi, because the government of India built Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, so this statement becomes true when you cross the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, let's move ahead the second question. Jute, wheat and millets are the major crops of the Thar desert. So here jute is not grow in the desert area or not grow in the Thar desert. Only wheat and millets. Okay, wheat and millets are the major crop of the Thar desert. So here you have to put a cross mark in the jute. So the correct statement is wheat and millet are the major crops of the Thar desert. So let's move ahead the third one. Sandy or clay soil and the lack of water make it difficult to grow crops in the Thar desert. So here we saw that sandy soil and lack of water make it difficult to grow crops in the Thar desert. So here you have to put cross mark on clay. So the correct statement is sandy soil and lack of water make it difficult to grow a lot of crops in the Thar desert. Only some crops are grown in the Thar desert because of sandy soil. Let's move ahead the next one. A region in the desert where water comes out in the form of spring is known as an oasis or a sand dune. So we learn that from the oasis the desert get the water. Okay, and oasis is a small area in a desert that has supply of water and is able to support vegetation. Okay, so many villages are settled around the oasis. So here you have to make a cross on a sand dunes, because from oasis water comes out in a form of spring. So here we have completed the entire chapter with question answer session. In the next lecture we will start chapter number 3, that is a visit to the south. Thank you.